Hi guys, another episode of Let's Play Minecraft. I'm gonna hunt for the sheep now. First, I'm gonna make a sword. I'm gonna make a sword, a wooden sword. I'm gonna go outside to get the sheep. Ah, I hate wood. Oh, there's a sheep. I found 2 sheeps now. One more sheep and I'm gonna make a bed.
Nandun pa si Trap. Sabi mo nga, yung hingi ako ng number.
I'm gonna change this. There. There.
Oo, ipasulat dyan.
There.
Trap, hingi daw sa Tirot yung cellphone number ng
There.
kabangga.
So easy. Another sheep! Finally! I can make my bed! There. I'm gonna keep my house. Where's my... Oh, I remember that. Oh, it's getting night. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Mobs. Oh my god. I'm scared of the night. I'm not safe. I'm safe. I'm gonna make a bed. Finally, I made a bed. I'm gonna sleep. Okay, I'm gonna change my there to there. Okay, I'm back. Come on, why don't I... Where can I put the bed? Why can't I put the bed? Is there enough space? There! Yay, I sleep! Guys, so that if you want to see my face, I've got like 15,000 subscribers only. You can see my face already. Subscribers, subscribe always. Peace and love, everybody. Peace and love. Okay, I made a bed. Now for my mine. This stuff is super small. Anyway, guys, you just have to build the like one door. So I'm gonna show you this glitch. If you destroy the bottom of the door only, 2 doors will come out. Look. See, 2 doors. So if you wanna follow that, just destroy the door at the bottom only. It's pretty cool. I wanna duplicate a diamond. I'm so bad at mining. It's gonna take like 40 episodes to get some diamonds. I'm gonna make my mine. God, that's my mine. I'm gonna make a... Can I make a furnace? Yeah, I can. I've got a furnace. A floating furnace. This video is very short. I'm gonna end this here. No, I'm not gonna end this here yet. I'm gonna do something very ugly with those pigs. pig. I'm following your butt. Your butt.
Ito na lang bigay ni
Your butt. Ah! Now I'm gonna end this here.
Oh, sige, baby.
I just followed the pig's butt. That's all. Thank you.
Peace
Peace and